The meeting, which initially began as a familiarization engagement between the Ministry of Local Government and the Parliamentary Committee on Public Service and Local Government, gradually evolved into an appraisal of the ministry's progress since the appointment of ministers Balaam and Justin Nameere.
Our role is not to focus on highlighting your weaknesses. Our role is not to judge and castigate you. We must be a committee that carries out proactive oversight that seeks to notice the gaps and therefore forge a way forward to support the ministry to deliver on its mandate.
Balaam defended the ongoing field-based supervision of government programs, describing it as a critical tool for identifying and approaching corruption within government structures, starting at the grassroots.
There is no law we are breaking, but we are touching what pains them. Some of them have relatives who have been touched. I'm really sorry. Some of you and us and I, we have relatives whom we are touching. But that can't be livelihood. Being accountable, being a professional, being an engineer, doctor, professional, it doesn't exonerate you from being handled when you mismanage state powers or when you mismanage state resources.
Having visited 12 districts so far, the minister shared his findings, noting that almost every district had challenges in accounting for public funds.
In Bugiso, on our first day, we found ghost workers in 2 health centers that were random. One is the regional referral center, Busui, in Bungoko Central. Then we went to Bungoko Central still. We found another one in Naiku, 7 health workers who are ghost. When we asked where are these health workers, indeed they were appointed by the district. They were placed at the health center. They never reported for duty. For 2 years, they are earning salary. So on the same day they were appointed, without reporting to the station, they got a study bond that you go and study in the referral hospital of a district. I think that amounts to corruption +5.
The meeting would later shift into a lobbying session for increased funding for the ministry. The Permanent Secretary, Ben Kumumanya, outlined several unfunded and underfunded areas that continue to constrain effective service delivery in the sector.
We have a challenge of administrative headquarters for some counties and town councils. It's a big challenge. Government can help if it is physically available. And we put up a cost estimate of 25 billion to be able to intervene in 307 sub-counties. This is a very important issue. If we cannot have this, we may not reach where we want to go.
The ministry is also seeking more than 400 billion shillings to facilitate the procurement of new stamps for local councils 1 and 2, as well as enhance the remuneration of local council leaders.
I wish to report to honorable chair and members that currently the district chairperson gets 2 million. After tax, it goes to 1.7 million, and they have been making an issue about it. But if you go down, the figures continue going down, and the LC1 and 2 chairpersons get 10,000 per month, which is 120,000 a year. So we had put in a request of 116 billion, and we want your support to be able to facilitate them and be able to get more results from them. And then also we had requested, we gave stamps after the elections of 2018 to LC1s and 2s, and we believe that it would make sense to give them new stamps for this term so that probably there cannot be any games of duplication, and we would request a provision of 14 billion.
After considering the issues presented, a section of committee members proposed for a review of the decentralization policy to address some of the challenges affecting local governance.
Review decentralization and build institutions of decentralization. That's number 1. Number 2, the ministry should not be seen to be working in isolation. There are other ministries which are actually intertwined. So they will have to go back and talk the language of how to deal with those issues.
It should be noted that local council leaders currently receive a monthly allowance of only 10,000 shillings. Dorcas Kimono, UBC News at Parliament.